The story behind it is it's influenced by Art Deco architecture, things like Radio City Music Hall in New York, and the potentiality of things exhibited by this piece that's rotated out. That's almost as if somebody rotated a game piece in Jenga or a set of blocks or something like that, and there's sort of a playful whimsy in sort of taking something that's very architectonic and making a shift or a change. I really like the little stair steps, that little zigzag pattern. I like the way that these surfaces sort of erupt as this piece rotated out. It gives you many more surfaces to sort of observe and sun to dance off and create interest in the piece. You can touch it, you can play on it, you can do all kinds of things with it that will allow you to interact with the piece other than just visual. It's a piece that's very tactile. We actually exhibited this piece at a show that was designed for blind people so that they could come and interact with it via touch. Every edge that you see here is actually a weld. So every edge on the surface there started out as a weld, and it was all sanded and ground till it was flat. And now you don't really have any sense of how the sculpture was made. All of the hours in finishing and fine-tuning and everything else goes completely by the wayside, and the sculpture is largely now something else other than the work. So nobody really sees it as the way as I did as a maker. The one that's down in Providence on the river, there's all kinds of lore about how you can jump through time and stuff in it. It's kind of cool.